Hi guys, what's up and welcome back to the channel. So just in case you're new here to this channel, you're welcome. And it's Chiamaka's lifestyle here. So I want to teach you guys how I normally make my choco chip banana bread. For those of you that do not know, I'm a baker based in Lagos, Nigeria, and I'm also I make cakes. So that's my business that I do. So I feel like I should share with you guys how I normally make my choco chip banana bread. So please, if it is something you're really interested to watch, I want you all to sit back, relax, and enjoy this video to the end. So these are the ingredients, guys. Yeah, this is the bowl that I'm going to use to mix everything, and this one here is the foil loaf. You can use this particular loaf for cake baking, yeah, so that it's actually safe, but you cannot use it but you cannot put it inside the microwave. So here is my flour. I'm going to share the recipe on the description of this video. So this one here is margarine. I don't know where it is focusing properly. So this is the margarine here. You can also use salted butter or unsalted butter. So because it's a choco chip banana bread, I have some chocolate here. This is the chocolate that I use. Guys, trust me, this particular banana bread is my best seller. My customers love it so much, so I feel like you're actually really lucky for me to give you my recipe. Let's just put it that way. So here is my brown sugar. I love using brown sugar for my banana bread. So this is it here. I also have my baking soda and baking powder inside this place. I had to cover it because I don't want air to air to come in contact with it. When air comes into your baking soda and your baking powder, it becomes inactive. So if you want to know whether your baking soda or your baking powder is active enough, when you put it inside the water, if it starts to foam, then you know that your baking soda or your baking powder is still active enough. So here I have my flavor. I normally use banana flavor for my banana bread, but I told my staff I don't know why they did not put the banana flavor for me. So luckily I have vanilla flavor in the house, so I'm going to use it. Of course, here guys, this is my cinnamon. Cinnamon is one important ingredient that you should use for your banana bread. I don't know if you guys can see this one here. This is the vegetable oil. Please make sure that if you are doing anything baking, you should use a quality vegetable oil. This is 1 cup here. I'm going to put it here so that it will not fall down, yeah, gently. So I think I've shown you guys the cinnamon. This is very important for you to use. And this one is a choco chip. So that's why it's choco chip banana bread, because it's choco chip banana bread. You have to use this chocolate chips. But this particular chocolate, I can use it for my choco chip banana bread. So I just have to slide it gently, and and if we see how I normally go incorporate it. Okay, so I think I've shown you guys all the ingredients. This is my eggs here, and this is my bananas. For banana bread, make sure that you have to use very ripe banana. So if you have any ripe banana, you don't have to throw it away. You can see how ripe this one is. You can ignore this white smoke. The bananas are still actually really fresh. If you're making a banana bread, the bananas has to be really, really ripe enough. Okay, so guys, I feel like I've said enough about this. Let us go straight into the procedure right now. And please, if you have not subscribed to the channel, please kindly do that. Give this video a massive plenty thumbs up, guys. Subscribe to the channel, like this video, and share this video if you can. Okay, so guys, let's just go straight into the video, the procedure of how I normally make my banana bread. So you guys, this is my bananas here. So I'm going to use my fork to start matching these bananas. So you guys, this is my chocolate here. I think it's a compound chocolate, I guess. Can you see it? Dark compound chocolate. So this is what I use for my choco chip banana bread. So I'm going to dice this chocolate into pieces right now. I think I've actually mashed the bananas. You guys, can you see how the mashed bananas is? So this is how it should be at the end of the day. So the next thing, start mixing all the liquid ingredients together. So banana, the base match bananas is one of the liquid ingredients. So I'm going to add in my oil, add it here. You guys, this is melted margarine, so I'm going to add it inside. You can as well use unsalted butter like I said before. I'm going to put 1 tablespoon of this, sorry, 4 tablespoon. One, so this is more like for extra moistness. 3, you can also use milk as well. Oh. So you can use milk for your banana bread, but for this recipe I am not going to use milk. I'm going to add in my brown sugar. Can you see? And now mix everything together. And see how your malicious this batter is already. Can you guys see it? So after you have given it a mix, you stop. One thing about banana bread is that you don't have to over mix your batter. So this is the wet ingredients which I have in the brown sugar. What makes the color like this is the brown sugar. Okay, you can as well use white sugar as well. So you can as well use white sugar. So I have the brown sugar here, my eggs, my vegetable oil, melted margarine here. So I'm going to combine the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients. So I'm going to add in the flour right now. So in here I have in my baking soda and my baking powder as well. So this is my 1/8 salt. Can you guys see it here? So I use 1/8 teaspoon of salt for this recipe. So I'm going to give this a mix right now. Please make sure that you sieve your flour. I forgot to say this in the video while preparing this by making this choco chip banana bread. Make sure that you mix your flour, all your dry ingredients, which is the flour, baking powder, baking soda. Make sure that you mix sieve everything properly. It's very important to do that. So this is done. I'm going to also add in my ground cinnamon. I love cinnamon inside my banana bread. There is taste and there's this taste and flavor it gives my choco chip banana bread. Any type of flavor banana bread I'm making, I love to use cinnamon. So because I don't have a measurement for it, I just do a dash of cinnamon. Okay, but I might just have to put a quantity of measurement for you guys in the recipe. So I think this is actually okay. I'm going to mix this again. So this is good to go. It's time to mix the dry ingredients into the liquid ingredients. You can add in your dry ingredients alternatively. Please, when it's time for this particular process, you have to use your spatula to fold the batter. So let me just quickly add in my flavor. I'm using the Foster Clark vanilla flavor. You can use any brand of flavor that you have, as far as it's a quality one. 2 teaspoons of vanilla. So because I don't want to overmix my batter, I'm going to add in the choco chips immediately. Please, if you have a lot of these chocolate chips, you can add in so many quantity. That's if you're a lover of chocolate too. Me, I'm a lover of chocolate, so I'm trying to manage my choco chip. I don't want to overuse it because like I said before, it's actually really expensive, so I don't want to waste it. Let me use that word. So sorry guys. But if you're making yours and you love chocolates, you can just, be generous with the quantity. So you can see how this banana bread, see the batter, guys. You can see I love the way it's brown. So you can see, I can say for a fact that okay, probably the brown sugar that I used gave me this brown effect, plus the cinnamon as well. So please try not to over mix your butter. At the moment you do not see any flour inside your batter, please stop. So I have not seen any flour inside my batter. I think I'm going to stop right now. So don't over mix your batter, okay? So it's time to pour it into this loaf, inside this foil loaf. If you have any loaf pan, you can use it. Because I don't want to go through the stress of applying margarine inside the loaf pan, so I had to come by, I like had to use this particular loaf, this foil loaf. So let's start, guys. Then to pour it inside here. So because this particular banana bread rises very, very well, so I try not to overfill the foil loaves. You get, this is the quantity I got for 3 cups of flour. I got 2 cups, I got 2 foil loaf and 1 medium loaf. Okay, so it's time to garnish the banana bread with some chocolate. My hands are already washed, please, before some people will be like, why are you not washing your hands? All these Instagram people that be complaining on people that don't wash their hands. Only if you guys know that gloves not that safe like that, because it's the same glove that when you wear it, that's the same glove that you're still going to use to scratch your head, rub the dirt on your apron, like do a lot of things with the gloves. So which one is more better? At least you wash your hands properly all the time, but for glove there's no space to wash your hands. So I hope you guys are getting value for this video. I know it's quite lengthy, but I just wanted to take my time and explain the procedure very, very well for you guys. So guys, I'll have to give it a little tap right now just to release out some air bubbles. The reason why I'm doing this because I don't want it to have some holes, like when you give it a slice, right? So that's it. So I'm taking my time to explain this thing for you guys so you can understand. Hope you guys are enjoying this video. Please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share this video if you can. So guys, I'm going to take this banana bread into the oven right now, and it's going to bake for like 1 hour. Banana bread doesn't really take time to bake.
A few moments later.
You guys, as you can see, our banana bread is super ready. I'm going to show you guys the inside of this banana bread. Check out this yummy loaf, guys. Can you see? Looks so delicious. This is this measurement gave me 2 big loaf and 1 medium size of loaf. So I love the fact that this one is brown. So let me take it out and let's see how it is. So please check the recipe in the description of this video. Okay, I think I'm going to slice one of this. I'm going to slice one of the bigger one, and then I'll keep the remaining 2. So let me cut one of this. Let's see how the inside is. I love the texture. It's looking so soft. Can you guys see? This is the inside of our banana bread. I love the chocolates. looking so yummy.
So guys, we come to the end of this video. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you guys got value from it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. You can as well, make this particular banana bread for your children, for your family this Easter holiday. So guys, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, share the video if you can. Someone might need it on your channel, just do all those good stuff you get. So today is Good Friday. Let me wish you guys a happy Good Friday and a happy Easter in advance. Stay blessed and stay fabulous, and do enjoy your Easter holiday, guys. So I'm going to catch you guys in my next video. Bye guys.